As Hurricane Beryl sets sight on Texas, millions are left picking up the pieces in the storm's aftermath. Jamaica is recovering from heavy flooding and damage after the storm ripped through earlier this week. Many people there are stranded and are still trying to find flights back to the U.S. Yesterday morning, portions of Mexico dealt with the brunt of the storm and are now picking up the pieces of their lives. The storm generating a wave of support here at home as many work to collect clothing and other items to help those who lost everything. Eyewitness News reporter Kristin Thorne has more on the donation effort.
Oh my God. Ghost shop gone.
You're seeing just the utter destruction that Hurricane Beryl, did to our island of Carriacou. You'll see that houses are just torn down. My family's home, my sister, aunts, uncles, grandparents, all of their things are basically gone.
Queens resident Marcia Cujo Forrest can barely comprehend what her native island Carriacou looks like after Hurricane Beryl. The small island north of Grenada is destroyed.
There's so many emotions, feeling helpless up here, feeling like, what can we do?
There is something, donations.
Let's say vegetables, milk, all these macaroni.
At Plenty's restaurant in Flatbush, they'll be collecting donations throughout the weekend.
I got up this morning and I have clothes. I have a roof over my head. They got up this morning and don't have clothes. They don't have a roof over their heads. The food, everything's maybe wet and damaged.
Clothing is desperately needed.
I mean, they need relief, so that's why I get a lot of my personal clothes. I clean out my closet.
Beryl has left more than destruction in her wake. Curtis Reed of Yonkers and his family are stuck in Jamaica. Even though the hurricane is long gone, it came through Wednesday. The airports there are just now opening back up. Reed was supposed to leave today.
So far on the 9th is when we're supposed to be getting out of here. It was frustrating. I'm tired. I just want to go home.
There is no home left for those who live in Carriacou. Various groups in our area will be collecting donations throughout the next few weeks for all the places affected by Hurricane Beryl. For a list of places where you can bring donations, visit our website, abc7ny.com, and look for this story.